What if I told you that you don't need a degree from a top university, a rich family background, or even an office to make $10,000 a month? Right now, somewhere in the world, a freelancer is earning that much from a laptop, working from home, setting their own hours, choosing their own clients. The question is not, is it possible? The real question is, can you do it too? This is the truth about freelancing for $10,000 per month. No hype, no fantasy, just strategy, skill, and smart execution. Freelancing is no longer just a side hustle. It has become a full-scale global industry powered by platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Toptal. Businesses today prefer hiring skilled freelancers instead of full-time employees because it reduces costs and increases flexibility. That shift has created a massive opportunity. But earning $10,000 per month is not about doing random gigs. It requires a clear roadmap. First, understand this. $10K per month is not about working 10 times harder. It's about working smarter and positioning yourself correctly. Let's break it down. If your goal is $10K per month, you have two main paths. You can either work with many small clients or a few high-paying clients. Beginners often choose the first option, charging $20, $30, or $50 per project. But the freelancers earning 5 figures monthly focus on value, not volume. For example, instead of charging $50 for a logo, a skilled brand designer might charge $1,000 for a full branding package. Instead of writing $30 blog posts, a professional copywriter might charge $2,000 for a sales page that generates revenue. See the difference? Freelancing at a high income level is about solving expensive problems. Businesses pay more when the result directly impacts their revenue, growth, or efficiency. The second key is specialization. General freelancers compete with thousands of others. Specialists dominate smaller, profitable markets. Instead of saying, "I'm a graphic designer," say, "I design conversion-focused landing pages for SaaS companies." Instead of "I write content," say, "I write email sequences that increase e-commerce sales." Specific positioning reduces competition and increases perceived value. The third element is skill stacking. You don't just need one skill, you need complementary skills. For example, a web developer who understands SEO and conversion psychology can charge significantly more. A video editor who understands storytelling and YouTube retention strategies becomes far more valuable. Skill stacking makes you rare, and rare freelancers get paid more. But let's talk numbers. To make $10,000 per month, you could have 5 clients paying $2,000 each, or 10 clients paying $1,000 each, or 2 clients paying $5,000. When you look at it this way, the goal becomes practical, not magical. However, income at this level also requires systems. Successful freelancers treat their work like a business. They use contracts, onboarding processes, client qualification systems, and consistent outreach strategies. They don't wait for clients, they pitch strategically. Many high earners send 5 to 10 personalized pitches every single day. Over time, this compounds into opportunities. Another major factor is reputation. Testimonials, case studies, and measurable results increase trust. If you can show that your work increased sales by 30% or improved engagement by 50%, your rates automatically rise. Freelancing for $10,000 per month is not about luck, it's about credibility. There is also a mindset shift required. When you think like a freelancer, you look for tasks. When you think like a consultant, you look for problems. When you think like a business owner, you look for leverage. Leverage can come from raising your rates, outsourcing parts of your work, creating templates, or even turning your service into a small agency model. Eventually, your income stops depending only on your hours. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Reaching $10,000 per month usually doesn't happen in 30 days. It may take 1 to 3 years of consistent improvement, portfolio building, networking, and learning. And that's okay, because freelancing is not just about money, it's about control. Control over your time,
control over your clients, control over your growth. In a world with automation and AI reshaping industries, freelancers who adapt, learn fast, and focus on value will always find opportunities. So, can you earn $10,000 per month freelancing? Yes, but only if you stop thinking small, only if you specialize, only if you solve high-value problems, and only if you treat freelancing like a serious business, not a hobby. Your laptop is not just a device. It can be your office, your agency, your income engine. The journey to 10K per month starts with one decision: to level up your skill, your positioning, and your standards. The opportunity is real. The question is, are you ready to build it?